Hey guys, what is going on? Matt Kelly here. I've just had a phenomenal session at the beach fishing. It's actually, it looks kind of blown out. There's an amazing sunset going on right now. I'll include a screenshot right there. Listen, really quick update for you guys. I've obviously posted the craziest boat in the world video last week, which has just blown up because people are watching it. But I made the mistake of actually only showing the boat in operation right at the end of the video. So it's like a 10-minute video with only 2 minutes of action. And unfortunately, most people are missing it. So what I decided to do was post this quick video with just some clips of the boat in action. I filmed this last week, but so many of you guys were laughing at just the craziness of it when you trim the engine up and hammer the throttle. So I thought I'd give you guys a bit of a montage now. Enjoy it. I plan heaps of cool videos with this boat. It's going to be sick. So thanks all for your support. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe if you like it. And as always, tell me if you don't.